Now you guys might ask yourself, why didn't you go from a 2 to a 5, right? Because most people will probably go a 2, 2.5, a 3, 3.5, 4, and so on. But the problem with that is, if you got some students or you're not too experienced in cutting hair, it's really easy to take that 2 and take that fade a lot higher than you originally want. So the reason why I go up to a 5, because once I cut all this weight off with this number 5, right? Now I can work my way down from a 4 to a 3, connecting that 2, and staying in control where I want that blend. Now this works both ways, especially when you're doing a fade. If you do this with a 0, and then you got about a number 4 here, if you just fade into like a 1, and then you can jump from that 1 into that 5 or that 4, and you work your way down, this stays that blend in control, it stays right where you want it, because me doing hair for over 20 years, one of the biggest struggles I've ever had was taking that fade too high, especially when a client wanted it mid-fade.